Hello and welcome to Prep CBSE. Today we are going to start a new series of class 12th chemistry MCQs for term 1 exam of CBSE 2020-22. In this video we are going to discuss the MCQ questions of chapter solid state. This is the first part of this video. The topics covered in this video are characteristics of solid state, amorphous solid and crystalline solid, distinction between amorphous and crystalline solids. Who can answer these questions easily? Students who have read NCERT book well from page number 1 to 4, understood concepts well and revised the topics. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Question number 1. The state, solid, liquid or gas of a substance under a given set of temperature and pressure depend upon A. Intermolecular forces, B. Thermal energy of molecules, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Here is the explanation of the question. Under given set of conditions, state of a substance depends upon intermolecular forces as well as thermal energy. Both are opposing factors. Intermolecular force tends to keep molecules closer, while thermal energy tends to keep them apart. Next, the solid state exists under which of the following conditions? A. Low thermal energy, B. High thermal energy, C. Strong intermolecular forces, and D. Weak intermolecular forces. Options are only A and 1 and 4, B 2 and 4, C 1 and 3, or D 2 and 3. Correct option is C, only 1 and 3. Explanation is at sufficiently low temperature, the thermal energy is low and intermolecular forces are strong, so molecules cling together and substance exists in solid state. Next, amorphous solids are A. Isotropic, B. Anisotropic, C. Isotopic, D. Isomeric. This question has been asked in the CBSE sample question paper 2022 and the correct option is A. Isotropic. Amorphous solids are isotropic in nature. All physical properties are same in all directions. There is no long range order, hence overall arrangement becomes equivalent in all directions. Next, which of the following are sometimes called pseudo-solids or supercooled liquids? Options are A. Crystalline solids, B. Amorphous solids, C. Marble, or D. All of these. Correct option is B. Amorphous solids. Here is the explanation. Like liquids, amorphous solids have a tendency to flow, though very slowly. Next, examples of amorphous solids include 1. Glass, B. Plastic, 3. Quartz, or 4. Quartz and glass. Here are the options. A. Only 1 and 2, B. Only 3 and 4, C. Only 1, 2 and 3, or D. Only 1, 2 and 4. Correct option is D. Only 1, 2 and 4. Explanation is glass, rubber, plastics and quartz glasses are examples of amorphous solids. Figure 1.1 of NCERT textbook shows difference between quartz and quartz glass. Next, which of the following is not a characteristic of crystalline solids? A. Sharp melting point, B. Definite enthalpy of fusion, C. Pseudo-solids, or D. Anisotropic nature. Correct option is C. Pseudo-solids. Characteristics of crystalline solids are sharp melting point, definite enthalpy of fusion, anisotropic nature, true solids, long range order. Next, some solids which apparently appear amorphous but have microcrystalline structure, what do we call them? A. Rough solids, B. Polycrystalline solids, C. Pseudosolids, or D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Polycrystalline solids. Polycrystalline solids may appear amorphous, but they have microcrystalline structure. Next, name an amorphous solid which is best for conversion of sunlight into electricity. A. Amorphous quartz glass, B. Amorphous silicon, C. Copper, or D. Aluminium. Correct option is B. Amorphous silicon. Page number 4 of NCERT textbook says amorphous silicon, one of the best photovoltaic material available for conversion of sunlight into electricity. Next, refractive index of a solid is observed to have the same value along all directions. What can you say about the nature of solid? A. Amorphous solid, B. Crystalline solid, C. True solid, or D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Amorphous solid. Since value of a given property, here refractive index is same along all directions, therefore it is isotropic and hence it is amorphous. Given figure shows which of the property: A. Isomerism, B. Anisotropy, C. Isotropy, or D. Abnormality. Correct option is B. Anisotropy. A mechanical property along AB and CD will have different values, so it shows anisotropy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Also join our Telegram channel for quiz mode MCQs.